Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring power and a backup so the update can't fail mid-install. Plug in the charger and verify battery is at least 50%. Once done, run Time Machine or confirm iCloud backup. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Next, make sure you have 10 to 20 gigabytes free. System updates need room to unpack. Open System Settings and navigate to Software Update to start checking for the latest Mac OS version. You'll download and install the update from System Settings. Open Software Update and click Download. This can take from minutes to an hour depending on size and connection. While downloading, make sure your Mac stays plugged in and avoid heavy CPU tasks to prevent heat. Once the download completes, choose Install Now. The Mac may apply firmware updates that require one or more automatic restarts. During restarts, you'll see progress bars. Don't interrupt power or force. After your Mac finishes installing, you'll land at the login screen. Sign in and open about this Mac to confirm the new version. Make sure apps launch and peripherals work. Reboot once more if something seems off. If the update freezes or repeatedly fails, try booting into safe mode and reinstalling, or reset NVRAM/SMC to clear low-level settings. If problems continue, restore from your Time Machine backup or contact Apple support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.